Welcome to the demo of Sobo aquarium filter. Please remember the capacity of the filter should be 5 to 10 times the volume of water present in the aquarium. This is the new pack aquarium internal filter and the model name is WP950F. As regards its capacity, you can see over there it's written in fine letters 500 liters per hour. If you want to convert the capacity into gallons, you divide the same by 3.8. So that's the new pack and I'm going to open it. So that's what is there inside. You can see two outlets and you'll have a pipe also, plastic pipe. It is to be attached here, and at the end of this plastic pipe you will have that black end where holes are there. That is to be used for intake of air or water. And at the bottom you can attach this. Inside this bottom structure there is filter, and these are the hooks, vacuum hooks, which are to be attached to the wall of the aquarium, and here they will attach itself to the filter. Try to fix them with as much vacuum as possible. Now this is the assembly for that filter. As you can see, that white pipe, it can go inside the water or you can keep it outside the water as you wish. If you keep it, now let us see what's there inside this structure. These are the hooks type arrangement. You press it and it comes out, the lid comes out. I'm using the fork because it's there in my house. And opposite side also, second one, press it inside and outwards, and there it comes out. Take it out, and what you notice inside is the foam. See, this is the structure, this is the arrangement which sucks into the dirt into itself, and which periodically you have to wash in water, preferably aquarium water. Now let us see how to fix this inside the tank, inside the aquarium. It is submersible, so no harm if you put the whole thing inside, submerge it, and from this side you can see how it has attached itself to the wall. And this white pipe you can see, white pipe, if you keep it in the air, that is outside the water, it will intake air and it will form bubbles in the water which will oxygenate the water very well. If you don't want oxygenation, you can put the white pipe inside the water. So this was all about the Sobo aquarium filter, and you can ask for more details under the comments